Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make a button like this that we have seen. In this video we will going to see how this the neon animation like will be work over the buttons. Like first of all we have taken the key div class dot class as button container, and inside it we have taken button as class as neon button, and inside a text as CSS. Then we have taken the script for it. It is optional to take a script for it. If you want to give it a pulse effect like this, then you can go ahead and take it. So let's go to our style part for this code. First of all, we have defined it in the key display as flex, justify and align item as the center and height as 100 VH, and background completely black, and margin as 0. And then we have given the buttons container class position as relative, and its neon button design will be like the normally background radial grade in the circle format, and the little bit darkest green, or giving it a little stylish and futuristic UI of it, and a border as the none, and color as 0 0. Okay, little light green, font size 24 pixel, font weight as bold, padding as 15 pixel 40 pixel, border radius 50 for the circular design, and the text transform will be uppercase and cursor will be pointer, and its animation timing will be 0.3 seconds. Then given a box shadow in the anime like 0015, like here it will going to appear right here outside of it normally, and its normal color, and inside of it a little color like you can see right here inside only, and outline will be none, and position will be its relative. And then we have taken the key hover part of it. It will increase its box side or normal part will be increased by 15 pixel from outside and 20 pixel from inside in with the same color, and its size will be also increased by 0.1%. And once it is active, then it will shrink it by 0.5 0.005%, and then it will be spread out in the 40 pixel, and insidely in it will is 25 pixel. Okay, so that's it for the style class. So let's see what we have given the in the JavaScript of it. Like first of all, we had defined a function as document query selector for the neon button class. Okay, add listen event. If any person mouse hover it, it will going to appear its function, and this will add the pulse class to it. Or if anyone removes the key from it, then it will going to also remove after it, like you can see, like mouse click, it has up and down, up and little shiny glow. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for the future contents. Goodbye.